Hey everyone! It's me, Bobby! Guess what? I'm about to do my homework. You know, some kids think homework is boring, but I'm here to tell you why it's actually super important and fun too. So, why should you do your homework? First off, homework helps you practice what you learned in school. It's like playing a game over and over until you get better at it. The more you practice, the better you get. Just like how I got better at riding my bike at first, I wobbled a lot, but after practicing every day, I could ride super fast. Another cool thing about homework is that it helps you get ready for tests. It's like a superhero getting ready for a big battle. You need to train so you can be your best. When you do your homework, you're training your brain. And when the test comes, you'll be ready to show off what you know. Pretty awesome, right? And doing homework on time shows responsibility. When you finish your homework, your teacher sees that you're trying your best. That makes them super proud of you. Plus, when you get your work done early, you have more time to play afterward. That's the best part, right? Sometimes, homework can feel hard. But that's okay. If you ever get stuck, you can always ask for help. Asking for help is a super smart thing to do. You can ask your teacher, your friends, or even your parents. Everyone needs help sometimes, and that's how we learn. So remember, doing your homework is important because it helps you practice, prepares you for tests, shows you're responsible, and leaves more time for fun. Plus, if you ever need help, it's okay to ask. You've got this. Alright, I'm off to finish my homework and then play outside. You should try it too. See you next time, friends. And don't forget, homework makes you awesome.